Replacing your doors is a smart way to improve your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. However, the success of the project depends heavily on avoiding common mistakes during the process. For homeowners in Dallas, where heat and weather conditions can affect performance, careful planning and proper installation are essential. Understanding what to avoid can help ensure your new doors deliver long-lasting results. One of the most common mistakes is choosing the wrong door material. Dallas experiences high temperatures and strong sun exposure, which can impact how certain materials perform over time. For example, wood doors may look appealing but can require more maintenance and may not hold up as well in extreme heat. Homeowners should consider durable options like fiberglass or steel, which are better suited to withstand the local climate while maintaining their appearance and performance. Another frequent issue is overlooking energy efficiency. Doors play a major role in maintaining indoor temperatures, and selecting a door without proper insulation can lead to air leaks and higher energy bills. Many homeowners focus on style but forget to check for features like insulated cores and quality weather stripping. In Dallas, where air conditioning is essential, choosing an energy-efficient door helps keep cool air inside and reduces strain on your HVAC system. Improper measurements are also a common problem. A door that doesn't fit correctly can create gaps, leading to drafts, water intrusion, and operational issues. Even a small miscalculation can affect how well the door seals and functions. Professional installers take precise measurements to ensure a proper fit, which is critical for both performance and durability. Skipping professional installation is another mistake that can lead to long-term problems. While DIY projects may seem cost-effective, door replacement requires precision and expertise. Incorrect installation can result in misalignment, poor sealing, and reduced security. In some cases, it can even void manufacturer warranties. Hiring experienced professionals ensures that the door is installed correctly and performs as intended. Ignoring the condition of the door frame is another issue homeowners should avoid. Before installing a new door, the existing frame should be inspected for damage such as rot, cracks, or moisture issues. Installing a new door on a compromised frame can lead to poor performance and additional repairs later. Addressing these issues beforehand creates a solid foundation for the new installation. Another common mistake is neglecting proper sealing and insulation. Even a high-quality door won't perform well if there are gaps around the edges. Sealants and insulation materials are essential for blocking air and moisture. In Dallas, where both heat and occasional storms can impact your home, proper sealing helps maintain comfort and prevent damage. Homeowners also sometimes overlook functionality when choosing a door style. It's important to consider how the door will be used daily. For example, selecting a door that doesn't open in a convenient direction or lacks practical features can create frustration over time. Thinking about accessibility, traffic flow, and ease of use ensures the door meets your needs. Another mistake is focusing solely on upfront cost rather than long-term value. While it may be tempting to choose the least expensive option, lower quality doors may require more repairs or replacements in the future. Investing in a durable, well-designed door can save money over time and provide better performance. Security is another area that shouldn't be overlooked. Some homeowners prioritize appearance and forget to consider features like reinforced frames and strong locking systems. A door is one of your home's main entry points, so choosing one with reliable security features is essential for protecting your property. Finally, rushing the installation process can lead to errors. Proper door replacement requires careful attention to detail, from alignment to sealing. Taking the time to complete each step correctly ensures the door functions smoothly and lasts longer. In the end, avoiding these common mistakes during door replacement in Dallas can make a significant difference in your home's comfort, efficiency, and security. By choosing the right materials, ensuring proper installation, and focusing on long-term performance, you can enjoy the full benefits of your new door. A well-planned replacement not only enhances your home's appearance but also provides lasting value and peace of mind.